Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Currently divorced from her husband of many years, Shauna Lake is also the mother to 2 adorable kids. She may not be the most popular of TV women, but Lake's life and career have made her one of the most interesting.
Make your mark, take our lead.
But when Woodside got out of her car, the trooper said she stumbled and struggled to maintain her balance. Woodside announced last September that she would be leaving Fox 13 after a nearly 23-year run anchoring KSTU's 9 p.m. newscast. 8 April 2019.
Take our lead.
Heidi Hatch. Salt Lake City, Utah, August 2, 2020. Gephardt Daily, KUTV2, the Sinclair-owned CBS affiliate in Salt Lake City, has named Heidi Hatch as a new main anchor, finally replacing Shauna Lake, who left the station in May, 2 months after a second DUI arrest. 2 August 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
I ended up becoming the permanent weather anchor on the morning show before I accepted my current job in Salt Lake City. As soon as I arrived in Utah, I started pursuing my meteorology degree while working full-time at Fox 13 News. I graduated from Mississippi State's Distance Meteorology program in 2015.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.